And pressure grows on the centre as left parties have decided to sharpen their attack against government's decision on FDI in retail. Left parties are likely to pass a motion in the winter session of Parliament to reject the government's decision. BJP reiterating its stance, saying that it will continue opposing FDI in multi-brand retail.
The BJP will strongly oppose the FDI retail in the Parliament when it commences its proceeding on November 21. The strategy for opposition shall be determined within the NDA, and there shall also be coordination with those political parties which are opposed to FDI in retail. The BJP would like to put the government on the map as to why and how the categorical assurance given by the then Finance Minister in the Lok Sabha and the Commerce Minister in the Raj Sabha has been openly violated. This decision of FDI in retail is not in the interest of the country.
First of all, I've just signed and sent the notice in the Rajya Sabha as well under rules which require voting on the question of opening up of the FDI, opening up the multi-brand retail sector to FDI. So in both the houses, the CPM members have given the motion, already served the notices, and we wish to take this up for a proper discussion under rules which will entail voting. And we would want the Parliament's approval to be considered by the government before they go ahead with this decision. Any such decision will have to be endorsed by the Parliament, and the government should not go back behind the cover of saying that this is an executive decision. The Parliament's opinion should be supreme, as it is in our constitutional scheme of things, that the ultimate sovereignty in our country rests with the people, which is exercised by their elected representatives. So we are moving this motion. All the other parties who have joined us in these protests, we hope that they will support this motion.
The Congress has chosen issues which it thinks are in the public and the national interest. It has never hesitated to state those issues upfront with confidence. We've tried to clarify all the unfortunate misgivings, many of which have been deliberately generated by vested political and non-political interests. Having done that, we certainly are not worried or scared about any debate. But so long as it is a debate, which is the hallmark of a parliamentary, democratic, open, transparent system, what we don't want is that in the guise of a debate, you have disruption, you have obstruction, or you have ulterior means and motives to prevent something in the national interest from coming through.